Cucumber is a vegetable from the melon family, which also includes watermelon, squash and zucchinis. It has a cylindrical shape and grows between 6 and 9 inches. Cucumbers have a green skin and white or greenish juicy flesh. It's a tropical plant which is available all around the world. It can be eaten raw, but some cultures use it to make pickles through a process which destroys the vegetable's nutrients. Keeps you hydrated. Cucumbers contain up to 96% of water, which means that they can regulate your body temperature. They can neutralize acids in the stomach, and applying fresh cucumber pieces on your skin is an effective way to relieve sunburns. Eliminates toxins. The high water content in the cucumber can absorb toxins in your body and clean the waste from your intestines. Consuming it regularly can hydrate your body and dissolve kidney stones. Provides the skin with minerals. Cucumbers contain potassium, magnesium and silica which can improve the quality of your skin. Great for your eyes. Put a few cucumber slices on your eyes to reduce the swelling and inflammation in your skin and relieve problems such as dark bags under the eyes. Stabilizes your blood pressure. Cucumbers can regulate your blood pressure and prevent numerous cardiovascular problems. Boosts your digestion. Chewing cucumbers will strengthen your jaw muscles while the fiber boosts your digestion. Lowers your cholesterol levels. Cucumbers are rich in sterols, powerful compounds which can reduce the LDL cholesterol in your blood and prevent a variety of ailments. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family.